stopped recording.
I know. It's like, no! It's fucking hot! It's like itching. Yeah, nobody wants to honk this time. I'll get that big old U-Haul. That U-Haul one. Ready, ready, ready. Oh, that's Cody! That's Cody! Oh my god! Who's Cody? This fine ass guy. Oh my god! Right, bitch. That one person put the podcast through. Which one? What do you call that one? That was awesome. It was Cody and his sister. I know. Oh my god! I'll get that one to honk. So honk you fucking hard, bitch! Dude, it was better over there. We had more energy. Why is that? I feel embarrassed. Why?
That was funny. I can't believe we saw Cody.
I'm gonna get that truck to honk at. I wonder if he knows it was us.
He's not gonna know. I remember my said, "Oh my god, you honked at me!"
I got a honky out of the truckie. Come on, there's like no
Line of cars.
we only got
Honk your horn, bitches!
how about we go?
I don't know why y'all feel different. It's the same to me.
You're not doing it and you just
Because usually Autumn was recording before.